what's going on? Justin is gonna buy a bird today. Is that right, Justin? And it's gonna be a Cocker Spaniel. Is it Cocker Spaniel?
Cockatiel.
Cockatiel? Wait, Cocker Spaniel's a dog. Gonna go buy a cage. Gonna get our Cocker Spaniel.
Anything else you need or? Nah.
Oh, look, it's so pretty and cheap.
Look at it.
Oh my god, you're such a loser. Oh my god, no.
Yeah.
Oh my god, how do you like these things? I hate
Look
my
at it, it's like a big cuddly bird.
You are so weird. Oh my god, they're so noisy. What's that? What's that? What is that? Oh my god, what is that?
It's baby cat.
What, a cat?
Looks like a little kitten.
No, it's not. Is it? I don't know. Look at they're ferrets, you
Oh,
moron.
ferrets. Cool.
Are you excited about getting little Indy?
$40 for a pair of budgies.
Wow.
You want a pair of budgies?
Call it Justin and Katie. So we're gonna go get the bird. Yay! I'm so excited.
You don't edit it.
I'm definitely not putting that in.
Oh, you should so put that in.
No! No. I'm so excited for this bird.
Yeah. You're not videoing the phone call.
Why not? I hate you, Justin. I hate you. I hate you. We're not going out anymore.
Hello?
That's cute. Little Indy. Aww.
Hello?
Got a name?
Indy.
Opposite of what it is, but that's cool. What is it?
Put your hand up.
I don't think you'll like me.
Why?
I don't know.
Put your finger up. Don't be scared of it. It's not going to hurt you. He doesn't bite. You're going to have to get it off now. I can't.
Oh, really? I don't really know what to do.
Don't grab it.
Oh my god, oh my god.
Oh, you silly.
I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Oh,
Crash landing.
I think you land pretty well.
oh my god.
Hey, come on.
Okay. Look at it go. Happy about your bird?
Yeah.
Little Indy?
You're so cute.
Indy? Hey, where you going?
Probably wants to chew on the paper.
No.
No, just like this. Just like this. Let it run free.